Sara Lee's Deals, Steals, and Giveaways is bringing you LED, flameless, flickering, burning candles with a remote. You can turn them on or off at the touch of a button. They look like real candles, but they're safe to touch, no wax, safe to have around animals and kids, and they look wonderful. I like having the remote because when you want them off, you can turn them off, and when you want them on, you can turn them all on. Thanks to my cat getting in the way. But check the link below for more information. Thanks!